Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Hostas are wonderful, great plants to plant in shade. Hard to beat this variety here. This is a variety called, it's a hosta called Sum and Substance. And Hosta Sum and Substance has got enormous leaves and mauve to purple flowers to stand up over the enormous leaves. I'm going to show you how large the leaves are at Hosta Sum and Substance. Look at that. Really, it's a fantastic hosta to grow. And I know the slugs can have a feed at hostas. But shake a few beer traps, organic slug pellets, or some plenty of grit around them to save the day. But it's got enormous leaves and it's got an area in shade underneath some trees that holds a bit of moisture. It's hard to beat Hosta Sum and Substance. This is the time of year to plant it, decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super dry planting fertilizer underneath, as well composted soil on top, and the same backing around. But you've got these luscious leaves and then mauve flowers with lots of bells that stand up over the foliage. But look at that leaf again, isn't it just stunning? It just really gives you that touch of the exotic in your garden. Enormous leaves. Height about, I suppose, 30-35 centimeters high, and can spread roughly about a metre across. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.